Are you afraid to never reach your full potential? Let's change that today. Here's your ultimate guide to personal growth. Personal growth isn't just about reading self-help books or watching motivational videos. It's about making real, lasting changes in your mindset, habits, and actions. Whether you want to boost confidence, improve productivity, or simply live a happier life, this guide will help. Before we start, drop a comment. What's one thing holding you back from becoming your best self? Okay, step 1, adopt a growth mindset. Success starts with your mindset. A fixed mindset sees failure as a dead end, but a growth mindset sees it as a lesson. Think about this. Person A fails a test and thinks, I'm dumb. Person B fails and thinks, I'll study harder next time. Who do you think will succeed? Write down one belief that's holding you back. Now rewrite it with a growth mindset. Next, step 2. Break free from limiting beliefs. The biggest lie you tell yourself, I'm not good enough. But guess what? That's not true. Turn I can't do this into, I'm learning and improving every day. Drop a comment. What's one limiting belief you're replacing today? Step 3. Set powerful goals. A dream without a plan is just a wish. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time-bound. Write down one clear goal right now. For step 4, daily habits for success. Small habits create big results over time. Reading 10 pages, journaling, exercising, even small steps matter. Drop a comment. What's one habit you're committing to today? Finally, step 5, keep growing and embrace change. Growth is a lifelong journey. The best time to start was yesterday. Second best time is now. If you're ready to grow, type in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more content.